Hi, what's up you guys? It's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back again with more Review Mondays. So what I have for you guys today is another addition to my car, and it can also be applied to your car, and this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to install this right here, LED car light for your trunk. So I'll put the link in the description below, along with my social medias, all at Justin Too Fast for you. You can find me on Facebook and on Instagram. And also, before we get into straight to the tutorial, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. It helps out with my YouTube channel. It puts my YouTube videos out there, and then it also helps you with finding videos that you would like to see in the future. But now let's get straight into it. Alright, so everything comes in the package together. You just have to find the right adapter for your car, for which one. So comes in two. I got this one, works for my car, this Edge. Here's the light, and then here's another adapter in case your car uses this one. So there's two adapters. You just gotta figure out which one works for you. And then all you need is a flathead, the lights, and then we're gonna unscrew this. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Hi, just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope you found this YouTube video helpful and educational for you, and I hope the tutorial is really quick and easy for you guys. Also, just a friendly reminder to please do your research to double check that the light fits for your car also. I would feel bad if you guys start buying this product and then it doesn't fit, but in case it does, I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can find the product a lot easier. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out with the YouTube channel, puts out my video out there, and also helps you find videos that you would like to see. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Too Fast for you. And I'll catch you guys on another Monday, but it is your boy Justin Too Fast for you, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.